In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Trip.com promo code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the promo field, how to enter your code correctly, and how to confirm the discount is actually applied before you pay. Start by opening the Trip.com app on your device. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign into your account so your booking details and any eligible discounts can sync correctly. Being logged in also helps the app recognize location and currency settings that some promotions depend on. Next, choose the type of travel service you need. You can book flights, hotels, trains, or attractions. Make your selections as you normally would. Set your dates, pick your route or property, and choose the exact itinerary or room you want. Take a moment to review fare rules or room policies since certain promotions apply only to specific rates. Continue through the guest or traveler information screens. Enter each traveler's details carefully and make sure names match official IDs to avoid check-in issues later. Keep going until you reach the final booking details or payment page. This is where Trip.com summarizes your costs and where you'll apply the promo code. On the booking details or payment page, scroll past the traveler and contact details until you see the section labeled Discounts or Promo Code. It's typically located just above the final price breakdown, right before the payment method area. If you don't see it immediately, scroll slowly. On some devices, it can be slightly collapsed or tucked under a small link. Tap promo code or select enter code to open the input field. Type your code exactly as it's written. Match uppercase and lowercase letters, include any dashes if they're part of the code, and avoid extra spaces at the beginning or end. When you're done, tap apply or confirm. Watch for the app to recalculate your total. You should see the new price update, often with a line that shows the promotion discount. Verify that the final amount drops before you proceed to payment. If nothing changes, double check for typos, make sure the code hasn't expired, and remember that many codes only reduce the base fare or room rate and won't discount taxes or fees. Some promotions are also limited by region, dates, or minimum spend, so the code may be ineligible for this particular booking. Once you see the discount reflected in the total, you're all set. Confirm that everything looks right and only then finalize your purchase with confidence. Enjoy the savings and have a great trip.